About 10 years ago, the State Controller's Office decided to replace its hodgepodge of systems that it used to do the state payroll with a new 21st century type of a system. In fact, it was called the 21st Century Project, although it had also a nickname called MyCalPays. Well, it turned out that MyCalPays doesn't pay. It never could work. The state spent upwards of $300 million on this system, and it simply didn't work. And last year, the State Controller's Office, a different state controller, canceled the whole thing. The state's still spending millions on it, but now it's spending millions on lawyers and other things to sue the company that installed the system. But while they fight it out in court over who owes who and who doesn't owe who, the state still has a hodgepodge of old payroll systems that don't work very well. The Legislative Analyst's Office said while they pursue those legal cases, they ought to be re-examining the whole need for this system and trying to do things right this first time. It's not an unusual occurrence, unfortunately. The state has invested untold hundreds of billions of dollars in computer systems that don't work. A big one was a court system, managing cases before the court system that didn't work. It got canceled. And they're all over the place. What is it about California? We're the place where the computer was invented. We're the place that is cutting-edge technology for the whole world, and yet state government cannot, for some reason, successfully adapt that technology to perform its functions. Why? Somebody ought to be asking that question and getting some answers, not just assume that it's going to go on forever.